Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're just going to be solving a side on a normal Rubik's Cube 2x2. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so you're going to be solving the white side, so just mix it up. You can work with any side if you want. Alright. So first you want to do something that I like to do with the 2x2 is get it so there's 3 like that. It could be any 3, and then you see how there's one right there. So you're going to take that, switch that over to there, so now you have a side on that and a side like that. And then you're going to flip that down, flip that over, come back, and then you go like this, and then now you see how there's that and there's right there. So, and then there's a red spot in the middle. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to flip, turn that way, now we're back to the 3, and you notice that it's not really on anywhere, it's on the bottom. So on the bottom, it's on the same line as the 2, not the 1. You're going to flip it to the 2 so it looks like that, and then there's 2 right there. So then you take this, flip that over, bring it down, and you bring these both down, flip that, and now you have that again with that like that. And so if you flip that up, you have another 3, but this time it's right there. So you're going to flip it. This is where it gets interesting. Flip it that way. Now there's 2. There's 2, and then there's 2. So what we can do is this. And then you have this, like that. Now we're back to the 3, but now it's on the back. So now flip that way, go up, you get a 2 there, and then there's a 2 on the back. Do that, that, that. And there you go. That is a side solved on a Rubik's Cube. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button with the subscribe button and the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.